One of the best things I've ever done for myself, and definitely one of the highlights of my year 2020, has been getting to know Adele Frizzell and her whole cohort of coaches. One, I like to call myself a diehard dieter because I have done every diet out there. I mean, the Atkins, the South Beach, I've done the cleanses, I've done the liquid diets, I've done it all. And I just yo-yo. I go up, I go down. I am usually successful with losing some weight, but usually not successful with keeping it off. And that has been more frustrating as I near the end of my 40s. I am more desperate to get to a place where I can settle and be my best me. And one of the most successful things I've done in my dieting crusade has been HCG. And I do very well on HCG. I love the structure of it and I am usually successful, but the maintenance stage, I have not been able to keep it off long term. So I got the recommendation to try Adele's Transformers group, and it was just that, transformational. It was a godsend right at the beginning of March because it really structured the next 3 months for me during the pandemic and shutdown. I had something to look forward to every single day and every week, and I had a reward of my success at the end of each week. This program is not just about what you eat or don't eat and doing HCG. It really is about your whole mindset and learning a lifestyle that can help you to be your best you. Anything from your mindset to getting enough sleep to the self-talk that you have to getting up and moving around and how much energy you're burning when you're just sitting in front of your desk. All of those things, it was very instructional, little quizzes and webinars. And the thing I loved the most was the weekly meetings where we had Zooms, and all across the country, other women who were on the same journey were supporting and encouraging each other. And we were all getting fed from the fountain that is adelefrizzell.com. So we learned techniques for working out through the Surge program. And then we even had graduate program that helped us to take our weight loss and our new lifestyle into the next phase. And so I have just really enjoyed it. I have felt very successful, and I feel like I have the tools now that I need to produce this lifestyle that will allow me to be happy with myself, to be fit, to be successful, and to have a mindset that is always around progress, not perfection. And that has helped me in lots of areas of my life. So I do feel like it's been a blessing for me. And if you're thinking about trying it, I would say give it a shot because you have nothing to lose and everything to gain.